So you're looking to hire a virtual assistant in 2023 to help you in your business, but you're just not quite sure how to go about it. Because in today's video, we are going to dive into how to find a highly skilled virtual assistant to help you in your business in 2023. Hi, my name is Taylor. I am the founder and CEO of Level Up Outsourcing. We pair international business owners with online experts in the Philippines to help save you time and increase the profitability in your business. So when it comes to hiring VAs, I sort of know what I'm talking about, and that is why I'm sharing this video. So let's dive into the top tips on how to find a highly skilled expert virtual assistant in 2023. So step number one, and this is sort of a preparation step before you even hire a virtual assistant. I want you to get really clear on the specific tasks that you want to outsource, and then the KPIs or the key performance indicators for when you do outsource those tasks and how you're going to measure if they're being done properly or if they're not being done properly. So this is really, really important. For when we start hiring a virtual assistant, we need to have a job description. So we need to know everything that the VA is going to be required to do. And then in order for you to track and make sure that they're actually doing their job well, we need to set KPIs or key performance indicators to measure if their work performance is unsatisfactory, to measure if it's met, to measure if it's above expectations, or to measure if it's exceeding expectations. So this is something that we do with all of our virtual assistants in our team. We set those KPIs and then we decide on what is unsatisfactory, met, above, or exceeding expectations, just to make sure everybody understands what the expectations are. And then every Monday we have a meeting, a quick team catch up to see and check that everybody is on track with hitting their goals and hitting their KPIs. So that is something that you will want to introduce into your business as well when you go ahead and hire a virtual assistant. So it's always good to put in the prep work and get really clear now so that you can discuss the KPIs and the goals and the expectations in the job interviews for the virtual assistant role. So step number two is that you need to post that job description online, and we're going to start getting applications in. There are multiple platforms that we can post a job description online. You could use Upwork, you could use Fiverr. Sometimes they can be a bit risky because they're not necessarily going to be an ongoing team member that's invested in working with you to grow your business. It would just be sort of more of a one-off project or one-off task that they might be required to do. Or you could potentially work with a virtual assistant agency like us, Level Up Outsourcing. We take care of the whole recruiting process for you. So the next few steps that we're going to go through, you wouldn't even need to worry about those because we would do everything for you to find you the correct virtual assistant to work with you based on your job description and the specific requirements that you have. So you've got a couple of options. If you want to go with the agency like us, shoot us an email, hello@levelupoutsourcing.com, and we would be more than happy to jump on a call and see how we can help. But if you want to go ahead with doing this yourself, then step number three is to screen through all of the candidates that apply, find the top 5 people that you think could be the best fit for the role, and then sit down and have interviews with them. So obviously it can be quite time consuming to go through all of them, especially if you're getting a lot of applications. So that's why we do it for people. But if you want to do it yourself, go through all of them, choose your top 5 that you want to interview. I'd potentially also get them to fill in a Google form before the interview, answering a few sort of basic questions like their personality type, their strengths, their weaknesses, and then you can ask them some specific questions about the role as well. That gives you a good indication going into the interview if you think they're going to be a good fit or a little bit more about their personality type. And I would also suggest getting them to do a test task. So this is something that we get our potential candidates to do as well. We get them to do a test task specific to our clients' business and branding, like create a short form video or make some social media content or whatever's relevant to the role. We get them to do a test task just so that we can see the quality of their work that's specific to our clients' business and branding, instead of just seeing their portfolio of work from their past jobs and previous clients. So that is the third step that you need to do if you are hiring and looking for a virtual assistant yourself. Step number 4 is to create SOP documents and training videos so that your virtual assistant will know what to to do. Now, I can assure you that based on our experience of working with over 250 clients, the clients that never have a good experience working with a virtual assistant, clients that don't have any training videos or any SOP documents. So if you have nothing like that implemented into your business right now, don't stress too much about sitting down to type out documents and adding screenshots and all of that sort of stuff. While you're working and while you're doing the tasks that you want to outsource to your virtual assistant, what I want you to do is set up a Zoom session with yourself, share your screen and record the screen and actually talk to the screen while you're working, so that this will act as a training video. Once you've started to build up a training library, then it's going to be so easy when you onboard your virtual assistant, because you're not going to have to do too much live training with them. You can just get them to watch all of the videos in your Google Drive or in your Dropbox folder, and then they'll be able to learn how to do all of the tasks that way, instead of you having to do live training with them. And then if there's ever any issues, we have to do more live training. It's just a lot better if you have everything documented in your Google Drive. So now we actually offer a SOP library of over 70 SOP documents and training videos to our clients that don't have anything like that implemented into their business, because we know how important it is to have SOP documents and have training manuals and training videos in your business. It makes or breaks the relationship with your virtual assistant. So we have created plug and play SOPs that you can implement into your business. If you would like to get access to those when you work with a virtual assistant, please just shoot us an email, hello@levelupoutsourcing.com. We can jump on a quick call and look at how we can help you, and then you'll be able to get access to over 70 plug and play SOP documents in your business. That is the next step, is to create SOP documents or training videos. Okay, and step number 5 in how to find the perfect VA is to offer them the job and then train them in what to do. So obviously, if you work with an agency like us, we will have taken care of steps 2, 3, 4, and 5 for you. But if you're doing this yourself, you're going to obviously need to onboard them, offer them a contract, and then have an onboarding session with them, give them access to your training videos and library of videos that you recorded on all of the processes. And you will still need to do some live training with them just to give them a walkthrough and a higher level understanding of your business. You'll need to share passwords, give them access to everything. So there'll be a little bit of back and forth in the first sort of week or so of working with them, but hopefully, because you have those training videos created, there's not going to be too much need for live training. It should all be taken care of by the videos. So that is the 5th step on how to find and train the perfect VA in 2023. As I've mentioned, if you need support finding your own virtual assistant and you want us to do all of that recruiting process for you, please shoot us an email, hello@levelupoutsourcing.com, and we would be more than happy to help you out. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications for when we put out new content every single week. And until the next episode, I'll see you later. Bye.